funded and focused feature. Every woman who's ever had to start again knows when everything falls apart, that's when her real power shows up. So breathe deep, fix your crown, take your next step forward. The bills are due, the money's gone, and life feels like it just swept over your foundation out from under you, but you're still standing. You've held families together, managed chaos, made miracles out of small budgets. That means you already know how to rebuild because you've been doing it your whole life. Now it's time to turn that same strength inward. Take your skills, nurturing, organizing, problem solving, creating, and put them to work for you. Make the calls, write the plan, ask for the help you deserve. There's power in your persistence and wisdom in your experience.